I appreciate your resistance, shawty. I wouldn't fuck with me either. All of me, that is. Let's go.
Hey girl, I like what you got on. How about you take it off? It's just you and me, don't be shy. Baby, show me what you're working with. Damn, you're so fine. I never seen a body so defined. What you waiting on? Come and get it. Baby, I just want a little bit. Better yet, take all of me. All of me. 'Cause I just wanna give you my all. So can you take all of me? All of me. Your body's telling me what you want, so I'ma give it all. Where you going, girl? Don't run away. You was talking all that shit the other day about how you can take it and how I wasn't ready.